Now coming on to the examples of these haplontic, diplontic and haplodiplontic type of alternation of generation. Very important. In exams, direct examples are asked. And many students, like बहुत confusion रहता है sir, गलत answer टिक करके आ जाते हैं. Okay? So I'm not giving you any trick. Okay? I'm not giving you any trick. Because trick को याद करने के लिए फिर अलग दिमाग लगाओ. Simple सी चीज़ है यहाँ पर. हम लोगों ने प्लांट किंगडम में ऑर्डर क्या पढ़ा था? एल्गे, ब्रायो, टेरिडो, जिम्नो एंड एंजियो. यस, यही ऑर्डर पढ़ा था. यहां पर हैप्लॉन्टिक टाइप ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल विल बी शोन बाय मोस्ट ऑफ द एल्गे. मोस्ट ऑफ द एल्गे. ओके, एक्सेप्शन विल बी कवरिंग. देन कमिंग टू हैप्लोडिप्लॉन्टिक टाइप ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल. इन हैप्लोडिप्लॉन्टिक टाइप ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल, these two, the middle two, Brio and Terido are present. These two will show haplodiplontic type of life cycle. And the last diplontic type of life cycle, Gymno and Angio. And if you are not remembering the order, then also you can say that Gymno and Angio, the main plant body is sporophyte, diploid. Gametophyte is highly reduced. Flower and cone. Yes, so here they will fall under the category of diplontic type of life cycle. Okay, now in NCERT some examples are given. These examples of haplontic type of life cycle are Volvox, Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra and Ulothrix. Okay, these are simple algae. Most of them are green algae. In Chlamydomonas, NCERT has written only few species. Okay, but if you remember just Chlamydomonas, then also it is okay, because later on NCERT has not given Chlamydomonas in any category. Okay, so here we will be having example as Volvox. Then we'll be having Spirogyra. Then we'll be having Chlamydomonas, few species only, Chlamydomonas. Ulothrix is also there. So mostly algae are showing haplontic type of life cycle. Okay, moving on to haplodiplontic type of life cycle. So two we have already written, bryophytes and pteridophytes. Yes, other than that some algae shows this type of exceptional algae will shows haplodiplontic type of life cycle, and these are Ectocarpus, Polysiphonia and Kelps, the huge very long brown algae. So here I am writing additional Ectocarpus. Then we are having Polysiphonia, and then the last we are having Kelps. Yes, it is a common term for referring huge brown algae. These are Kelps. Now coming on to the last category, diplontic type of life cycle. In diplontic type of life cycle, majorly we are having spermatophytes, gymnosperm and angiosperm. In NCERT, very important example, and which is asked in previous years also mentioned, and that is fucus. Yes, fucus, very very important. Direct question is asked. Okay, along with fucus we can write cladophora. Cladophora is also showing diplontic type of life cycle. Okay, yes, cladophora. And one more, sargassum. Yes, sargassum is also showing diplontic type of life cycle. All right, bachcho. So I hope you will remember this order, and in this order, the examples will be very easy, right? All right. So that's all about the alternation of generation. The very important point here is this example, all right, and the description of each of the different type of alternation of generation. All right, students? Yes. So that's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.